Hello, in this video I want to show you that how we can read multiple files and import their data into a list. A good example is, let's say that we have customers that they need to fill this form and they return this form, and we have a number of customers that they have completed these. Now we want to extract information from their forms into this list. It's again a relatively easy task if we use AI to write the codes for us. And I will show you how. Let's just see that we write this text and we explain exactly the steps that we want to be taken. We want to call the name of each file. For example, the code should read multiple Excel files that I call them forms in this in this text, and also that list that we want to complete and import data into is going to be called master list. And the steps should be taken. Basically, each form should be opened, and then the specific values, those cells that the dot contain the data that we need, should be copied and then should be pasted into master list. And basically, this is the guide we want to define for, let's say, AI tools like ChatGPT or Copilot, that, for example, cell C1 data should be copied to column A, because that's, let me show you. For example, this is C1, which is customer ID, should be copied into column A. And if you have all these details defined, and what's very important, also defining that you have the first row as the header, then it's not going to be completed, and it should start from the second row. That should be defined as well. Anyway, when we have these, then the rest is going to be relatively simple. We, in human language, we define what we want, and now let's say Copilot can easily create this for us in a matter of seconds. Now we have the answer, and it can be easily copied into what's important, because when we have already, let me just first create this to show you in the master list. Let's say when we create this button, which again I created here for you to see, that we go to developer and choose this button. Anyway, whatever that you want to name it, here let's just call it import as a new one. Now you see that the subtitle, the title of this has already been named as import, but in the code that I have, it has been named as import data. Then I don't need to copy that first one, because I already have created my own name, and just copy the code. Even you don't need end sub, because this also is here. Now, as simple as this, you save it, and now if I click on these, it should allow me to choose the folder that all files are there. I will show you that here. This is the list of files that I have, and all completed files or completed forms are here basically. Now the only thing I need to do is, after clicking on, let me just close this one. After clicking on this, I should choose the folder. Now this is, I need to choose this folder as name called files, because all my files are there. You don't need to just go inside, you just choose this, that's it. And you see that all those forms are going to be opened one by one, and the list is going to be created. And imagine how much time can be saved as a result of doing this. Instead of one by one opening the forms, copy them into the list. Now we can do that in a relatively short time. And also consider that it's possible to make this process quicker, even because now we are seeing everything is happening. We can ask the code to hide this process from us, then everything is going to be much quicker, which I'm going to show you, explain in another video. But what's important is see how capable AI tools are to automate all these processes and help us to write the codes. Of course, without AI, the same thing could be written, but again, it could take much more time. And also in terms of debugging, and it was possible that we make mistakes and we needed to fix, but now everything can be done in matter of really minutes, and you can really write codes that can automate and facilitate processes as quick as what I showed you.